Hit by an 18-wheeler. Some of the most devastating types of motor vehicle accidents are collisions with 18-wheelers. Occupants of smaller passenger vehicles who are hit by an 18-wheeler are often catastrophically injured or wrongfully killed. Victims and their families should call the trucking accident attorneys at Berg Injury Lawyers for help after any type of 18-wheeler, big rig, box truck, or another type of truck wreck in Northern California. Accidents where victims are hit by an 18-wheeler are different than other types of motor vehicle crashes for several reasons, including: in addition to state law, there are complex federal regulations that govern all commercial vehicles and can help prove liability in an 18-wheeler wreck. Trucks generate significant momentum and force, often leading to more serious personal injuries, which require a personal injury lawyer to have a better knowledge of catastrophic injury or medical conditions than most car accident lawyers will have. 18-wheeler wrecks often require expert testimony for crash reconstruction, to download and analyze black box data from a truck, to explain permanent and disabling medical injuries, or for other issues that may arise in trucking litigation. Most truck accidents involve a trucking company from another state, a truck driver from an entirely different state, and a delivery going to or from another state, creating difficult liability issues and increasing the costs of litigation due to all of the out-of-state participants. Some 18-wheeler accidents involve significant credibility issues, including where truck drivers may have used illegal drugs to stay awake, forged logbook hours, or violated hours of service rules regarding rest and drive time, and many other complex and difficult legal issues that face victims and their families. In addition to these complexities, trucking companies often retain some of the largest law firms and insurance carriers to defend their company and to protect dangerous drivers. In order to fairly recover the compensation that you deserve, you need to retain an experienced trucking accident attorney in Northern California like one at Berg Injury Lawyers. To learn more about how we can help you, dial 866-928-4640 for a free consultation, or reach out to us through our website at berginjurylawyers.com.